Let's sketching with Z Arts. Hi, with Z Arts. Today I will make a simple sketching task. As you know, the sketch is the first step to make an awesome logo design. So I will give you a quick sight to some logo design sketches. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice watching. Speed Meteor Logo Design. It's a simple work for an educational YouTube channel interested in helping the Arabic native tongue talkers to learn foreign language pronunciation from songs, as learning from entertainment way, and provides important documentation and websites to help the beginners. The logo label goes back to learning at the speed of the meteor fall. Royal Leaf Logo Design. It's a personal author brand that is interested in writing novels. Stories, sell it as freelancing artwork. It's a simple combination of the royal symbol like the knight arrow and the leaf details to compose an awesome suitable logo design. If you want more videos, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.